Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Coach Liger. So in this video, I am going to show you something really popular in crypto games. Okay, it's a complete betting website which is exactly like and works just like a bet play. And the best part, we don't just sell the source code, we actually develop the full sites for you exactly how you want it. If you ever want to launching your own betting or casino platform, or maybe you are a developer who wants to start selling professional gaming sites, then this video is totally perfect for you. Okay, all right, so let's show you the interface. As you can see here on the screen, this is our platform interface. It's clean, fast, and super smooth to use. Okay, so we built this in one stack, which means we use React for the front end, Node.js for the back end, and MongoDB for the database. If you are a developer, you need to know what tag we use. Okay, so basically, it's using the same kind of tag which use big sites like Shuffle, BC Games, and many more. And the design is fully responsive, so it's work perfectly on both mobile and desktop. User can easily create an account, deposit money, place bets, even play live casino like roulette, teen patti, slots, everything. Okay, so now I will show you the every part. Here is the casino. Here you can see you will get this all APIs. In this you will get the Betplay original APIs too, and it's live casino. If you know it's on monthly basis or GGR basis, you can easily contact us and we can do a Google Meet Zoom meeting easily. You can contact us on Telegram, also on WhatsApp. There is no issue in the communications. Okay, it's a poker part. From here you can play the poker. Let's go to the sports part. Okay, so you will get the loads of sports here like soccer, e-soccer, basketball, even e-soccer will also work. Okay, ice hockey. Yeah. There is so many sports here. Here you can see. If you need less sports, you will get that also. And if you want any another sports, you will get that too. It's totally upon you. Okay, so here you can see the live matches which is playing right now. And this API you will also get the live TV too. Here you can add your favorite matches which you played. Here you can see your bets you placed recently and hits the search icon. Okay, so from here you can do the deposit and withdrawal. And the best part is you will get the so many currencies option like Bitcoin, Ripple, USD, Binance Coin, so much. Okay. And if you want to add more cryptocurrencies, you can also add that. Here is the profile part. From here, you can manage your profile, account balance, transactions. You can check. Yeah, there is so many levels from which you can. If you want to add this feature, you can also add that, so the client knows he's on the which level. There are so many. It's bronze two, silver, gold, platinum, diamond. Too much. And from here you can see the bonuses and offers. There is a rewards options to message for the support if you want to add support customer, and it's a withdrawal option. Okay, so from here is an support option. If you want to add that too in your side, you can add that too. Okay, let's over this video. Thank you so much for watching this. If you really want to develop your own site before the World Cups and API, you can easily contact us on WhatsApp and Telegram. And if you are from India, you can also call us. And I will mention our international number too for the WhatsApp only. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.